This video shall guide us about the basics and usage of a slit lamp biomicroscope. The slit lamp biomicroscope is the most essential instrumentation in ophthalmic practice. It was first built by Gulstrand way back in 1911. It basically has a microscope and a light source which when combined together gives us a magnified, illuminated and three-dimensional view of the ocular structures. Grossly, it contains an observation system, that is the microscope, the illumination system or the slit lamp, and a mechanical system or engineering support. Before we start off, make sure the power of the oculars and the interpupillary distance is adjusted according to the examiner's specification. The patient is seated comfortably, preferably in a motorized chair. Make sure the chin and the forehead are placed on respective rests. Align the black line on the sidebar to the lateral canthus of the patient and switch on the illumination. The magnification can be changed according to the structure or pathology observed. The joysticks allows for smooth horizontal and vertical movement during examination. The light intensity, slit thickness and angulation between the light plane and viewing can be adjusted to create various types of illuminations, few being diffuse direct illumination, optical slit, indirect illumination, retro illumination, etc. The cobalt blue filter along with fluorescent dye enhances ocular surface epithelial defects. The green colored red-free filter highlights blood and blood vessels. Further, the slit lamp is essential for various tests like gonioscopy, Goldman applanation tonometry, and retinal examination using condensing lenses. Thus, understanding the basic working principles and mastering the right techniques of usage, the slit lamp biomicroscope can help us pick even the most subtle ocular signs.